Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fade a photo in Snapseed. To create a faded effect on your photo in Snapseed, follow the simple steps and make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, launch open the Snapseed application from your device. Now tap on the plus icon to open up your gallery and select the photo you want to edit. You can choose from your device's gallery, or you can also take a picture from your camera and select the image. Once you select the picture of your choice, go and tap on the Tools tab at the bottom of the screen. Now select the Curves option at the top of your pop-up. From the options, you will be able to see a tab where there are ready-made effects. Click on the Faded option, and you can also refine the faded option by moving the little circle a bit. And once you reach your desired effect, and after you are satisfied with the look, tap on the check mark at the bottom right hand corner to save your setting. Now export your photo as usual, and that way you will be able to create a faded effect on a photo using Snapseed. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.